guys, you're watching Big Drone Flyer 77. When we return, I have a giveaway for you guys. This is sponsored by Master AirScrew right after this. Hey, welcome back everybody. Thank you for joining me today on this edition of Big Drone Flyer 77. Hey, Donnie here, and today I got something special for you. I contacted Master AirScrew and asked him if we could do a giveaway for you viewers out there, and they returned the message and said let's go for it. They're going to go ahead and give away 2 sets of props. Each one of these boxes have 1 full set for your Mavic Air. These are the V2, so this is the 2nd generation, and so there's going to be 2 lucky winners. So I'm going to draw 2 winners, which I'll use one of those random comment selectors. Please, just 1 comment per person. If you leave more than 1 comment, then you're going to be disqualified, you guys. I'm not requiring for you to subscribe or anything like that, but I do ask you guys if you could please stop by Master AirScrew's Facebook channel group, and you know, check it out. I'll leave a link down in the descriptions, and also I have my Facebook group as well, which is All Around RC. I'll leave a link for that one if you guys could swing by, if you want to drop a video or just ask some questions, or you know, anything, just swing on by, you guys. I sure appreciate that. Also, I have my fan page, which is Big Drone Flyer. And also check me out on Instagram at Big Drone Flyer 77. So swing by there, follow me there. So, all right, guys. So with this competition here for the giveaway, all you need to do is just leave me 1 comment, and I'll select a winner on the 14th on Friday. So that's 1 week from today. And the winners, there'll be 2 winners. I'll draw 2 separate people. So 1 winner. So if you end up getting picked for the first set, and then your name comes up for the second one, I'll have to skip you and redraw again. So 1 person per prop winning, guys. So, but anyways, I'll go ahead and select the winner on Friday. And for the winners, what I'll do is I'll get your info from you, and then I'll let you pick out the color. So if you guys want magenta, which is that kind of pinkish color, what I have on the Mavic Air now, just let me know. I also have the black, and then also you have the blue. So the 2 winners will be able to select what color. And then what I'll do is I'll take that information and I'll send it to Master AirScrew, and they'll send it anywhere around the world, you guys. So this is international, which is awesome. I really thought that was really great of them. So that gives everybody a chance to win around the world. So, all right, guys, there's nothing else to really go over. You know, there's nothing special for you to do. This is just an appreciation to my subscribers and those that are new to the channel. Hey, if you want to hit the like and subscribe, that's awesome. If not, and you just want to try to win some props, hey, go for it. I don't mind. So, all right, guys, thanks for joining me. Master AirScrew, thank you guys so much for not only sending out 3 sets of these V2 props for me to test out and have, and which they work awesome, you guys. If you haven't seen my review, I'll leave a link up here in the corner. Also, check out the 1st generation of their stealth props. I'll leave a link for that as well for the video review that I've done on those. So both sets are actually really awesome. I'll let you guys watch the review on these V2s so you can see what I thought. But either way, V1s and V2s, they're both great. But the giveaways for the brand new V2 2nd generation, you guys. So you'll like them. So good luck, you guys, and I'll talk to you guys in about a week, and we'll pick a winner then. Actually, 2 winners. So, all right, guys. Like always, God bless. Cheers and happy flying.